Do you want to speak fluent English? You've come to the right place. Practice daily, and you'll see improvement in just 5 months. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your English step by step. Set specific, small goals to keep yourself motivated. For example, learn 10 new words each week or speak for 5 minutes daily. Write your goals down in a notebook or on your phone and track your progress. Start with the words you use every day, like eat, work, or happy. Use flashcards to test yourself on new words. Remember to learn phrases, not just words. For example, instead of just learning thank, learn the phrase thank you very much. Listening is one of the most important skills for learning English. Watch English movies or shows with subtitles. Read along while you listen. Repeat what you hear and practice shadowing to match pronunciation and improve your fluency. Speaking is the key to fluency, but it can feel challenging at first. Start by talking to yourself in English. For example, say, "I am making tea." Use a mirror to practice and record yourself speaking about your day. Listening to your recordings will help you identify areas for improvement. Reading helps you learn new words and understand sentence structure. Start with simple books like graded readers or children's books. Highlight new words or phrases you don't know and look them up later. Reading aloud is also a great way to improve your pronunciation. Technology can make learning English fun and interactive. Use apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, or Quizlet to practice daily. Change the language settings on your phone and social media to English to immerse yourself in the language. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins, like learning 50 new words or speaking fluently for 2 minutes. Join a study group or find a language buddy to practice speaking. Remember, every mistake you make is a step toward fluency. Start your English speaking journey today. Practice every day, be consistent, and enjoy the process. With dedication, you'll see amazing results.